offering the peacock fan. And as he looks out to offer to the devotees, the smile on his face is unbelievable. It's like one conquered epidemic that installed Krishna Balaram in Vrindavan. And you just read his face, it was full of bliss, full of
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
The other thing I'll never forget is the quantity of pink rose petals, and there was like abundance of pink rose petals that we actually went to our ankles. It was so special. After we were all making darlings for and one day lots of broken flowers left that couldn't be used for the garlands. So I had them on this sheet that we'd been using on top of the floor to make them. And I took them and I showered them over Srila Prabhupada from the balcony in the guest house. And then he gave us the instruction that we shouldn't waste the flowers. Srila Prabhupada was very conscious, in India particularly, of wasting the money. He knew how to protect the flowers so that they stayed fresh for longer. He told us to wrap them in damp cloths and hang them in a cold place. He knew everything about flowers, he'd feed to us. But also he didn't want us to waste. Even though practically speaking the flowers couldn't be used, he still wanted to teach us not to waste. And he considered that showering flowers on them like the demigods in the heavenly planets, waste the flowers, so I never did that again.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
This established Prabhupada
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
because actually Bombay started
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
I think at that time he was
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Mayapur for
Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama
most
Rama,
ashrams and
Hare
temples
Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
The
Hare
procession,
Rama,
it was like something out of the Bhagavatam.
Hare Hare,
decorated
Hare
cars,
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare
Because
Krishna,
that's the tradition of
Krishna
Rock
Krishna,
spiritual
Hare
master
Hare, Hare Rama,
and there were
Hare
hundreds of
Rama,
devotees.
Rama Rama,
And at one point, Prabhupada decided he
Hare
wanted to offer
Krishna,
Rock
Hare
and
Krishna,
walk with it.
Krishna
So
Krishna,
when he did that,
Hare
everyone
Hare,
just wanted to
Hare
come and take
Rama,
Prabhupada's seat at the
Hare
same time,
Rama,
especially anybody who
Rama
could
Rama, Hare Hare,
So
Hare
immediately
Krishna,
the
Hare
picture
Krishna,
he
Krishna
organized us
Krishna,
into human
Hare Hare,
kings
Hare
with locked
Rama,
arms on either side
Hare
of the
Rama,
platform. So we
Rama
went
Rama,
along the procession like
Hare
that,
Hare,
keeping people from
Hare
crushing
Krishna,
Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna,
During that procession, at times we would be farther away from Prabhupada, and at times we would be closer to Prabhupada. And the farther away you got from Prabhupada, it was like being in a hurricane. It was just chaos. And as we came closer to Prabhupada, it got calmer and calmer and calmer until when we were right next to Prabhupada, it was like we were in the eye of a hurricane. And it was so calm
Hare
and
Krishna, Hare
serene.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
And it was a
Hare
stark
Rama,
realization
Hare
of
Rama,
consciousness
Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
had. You could change the
Hare
atmosphere, not just
Krishna,
in a room where everything was organized perfectly,
Hare
but he can change the
Hare
atmosphere
Rama,
anywhere.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Prabhupada designed Krishna
Hare
Balaram
Krishna, Hare
beaches in
Krishna,
Mudra.
Krishna Krishna,
He made a
Hare
drum
Hare,
there
Hare
at the
Rama,
Bhagavad,
Hare
and that
Rama,
would play
Rama
during
Rama,
the
Hare Hare,
There's no Krishna Balaram
Hare
beauty
Krishna,
like this,
Krishna Krishna,
with
Hare
Balaram
Hare,
resting
Hare
on
Rama, Hare
Krishna's
Rama,
shoulders. There's no
Rama
beauty like
Rama,
that. Prabhupada
Hare
made that
Hare,
design.
Hare Krishna,
And then he would
Hare
joke
Krishna,
about it.
Krishna
Who
Krishna,
is stronger,
Hare
Krishna or
Hare,
Balaram?
Hare Rama,
Balaram
Hare
is straight,
Rama,
he's the
Rama
stronger.
Rama,
And
Hare
everyone would say
Hare,
Balaram.
Hare Krishna, Hare
And then
Krishna,
Prabhupada said, then
Krishna
why
Krishna,
Balaram is
Hare
resting?
Hare, Hare Rama,
This means Krishna
Hare
is
Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
strong.
Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna.